Hey everyone, Zain here, and today I'm going to show you how to use Grammarly app in mobile. So whether you are using an Android or an iOS phone, you should go to your store, Play Store, App Store, and now you should search for Grammarly. Now I'm gonna just download it first. Now here you have this option right here, Grammarly, and you should make sure that it has this icon or this logo and this company name. So click on install, wait till it's finished. Now after downloading Grammarly, now we should open the application on your phone, and when you open it, you will find here that they will show you a tutorial. Just click on get started first and click on agree, and now they will ask you to allow to show writing suggestions. So click on open settings, and now you should give it all the permissions in order to use it without any issues. So now I will search for it, and be careful, this list right here is alphabetically ordered, so you should search for the G, then click on Grammarly right here and make sure to toggle this on. Now they will ask you for more permissions. Just click on open settings again, then click on agree. Just give it the permission. Shortcut from lock screen right here, accessibility menu shortcut, but this is not actually necessary, but you can also give it the permission for this one. Now I'm gonna go back. Now they will ask me to allow to check the writing assistant and Grammarly shortcuts. So I'm going to click on it again, click on agree. Just I will try to give it all the permissions. Just click on allow right here. This will, create an icon down below. Now go to vision, hearing, physics. I don't know what is this, but let's go back to general, then click on download apps and make sure to toggle this on again. And you should wait till this countdown is finished. So now I'm going to click on OK. And now it will show you that you have to sign up. Now this is a small tutorial, okay, but we will skip it for now. I'll just show you exactly how to use it. So I'm gonna click on this X icon on the top right corner, and now it will show you this page. Now you have to give it another permission. Just click on allow permission and click on no restrictions, just in order to remove all the restrictions and adjust the battery usage to unrestricted. That's it. And now we should sign up or sign in. If you have an account before, you should sign in, but here in my case I do not have one, so I'm gonna sign up or sign in using my Google account. Now how you can actually use Grammarly. Let's first go to the settings right here. And now you have to make sure that this one right here is toggled on. You can also click on this option, but you need to know that Grammarly assistant or this icon right here will not be displayed unless you use a keyboard. So I'm gonna try to open my notes, for example. Now I'm gonna create something. I'm gonna type anything. Now here, as you can see, I have typed some text, and now you can simply adjust or do some modifications by going to any one of these words and click on the suggestions just right here. As you can see, just click on it and it will correct your spelling. As you can see here, it will show you exactly how many mistakes you have done. You can also click on this G icon and see how you should exactly type it. You can click on accept in order to adjust it up right here, and you can also dismiss it if you want to write it as the same. Here, as you can see, it will show you all the corrections. It will also tell you what type of mistake did you do. Is it a grammar mistake, spelling mistake, and so on. So you should just click on accept. And now if you want to improve it, you can simply click on improve it right here and click on improve it. Then you should click on insert in order to insert it directly. But this is because I have typed a very simple text. It will not do a lot of improvements. But now let's click on improve it again, then click on shorten it and click on insert. Now here, as you can see, it shortened my text. You can also click on the G button and see if there are more suggestions. You can also type more and more. Click on Grammarly again, and here you can also use the AI in order to change the tone, how this may sound to readers. Will it sound informal or curious? You can also change the tone. You can use the AI in order to make it more joyful, for example. So I'm gonna click on insert, and now here is the text. It will be adjusted. It will be more and more joyful, and that is it. This is how we can actually use it, and you have many features in order to see it. You can clean up notes. You can click on more right here and see more and more about the improvements that you can do to your text. You can make it assertive, sound compassionate, sound confident. You can identify any gaps. You can pick out main points. So you have many features actually to see, and you can also go and open Grammarly application and see all about your account, all about the blocked apps. You can block some apps from using Grammarly while using it, and you can share your feedback. You can talk to the support if you need it. You can also change the language. Is it English UK or English Australian, Canadian, and so on. You can also turn on or turn off the generative AI. That's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.